Single-story house design in a residential area surrounded by abundant nature. Introduction: the beauty of single-story living in nature. Welcome to Decor Essence, your go-to channel for all things related to architecture and home interior design. If you're passionate about creating beautiful, functional living spaces, be sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and comment below to share your thoughts or ideas. In today's video, we're exploring the unique charm of single-story house designs in residential areas surrounded by lush, abundant nature. Single-story homes offer both practicality and elegance, blending seamlessly with their natural surroundings. Whether you're considering building a home or simply seeking design inspiration, this video will guide you through the features, benefits, and design considerations for creating a peaceful and harmonious living space in the heart of nature. Harmonizing architecture with the natural landscape. One of the most striking benefits of single-story house designs is their ability to blend effortlessly with the surrounding natural environment. Unlike multi-story homes, which can sometimes feel disconnected from the landscape, a single-story home can stretch along the land, offering unobstructed views of nature. In a residential area surrounded by trees, gardens, or rolling hills, a single-story house has the unique advantage of creating a grounded connection to its surroundings. The architecture of the home can flow naturally with the terrain, whether it's on a flat lot, a sloping hill, Maximizing natural light and ventilation. A single-story home has an inherent advantage when it comes to bringing the outdoors in, particularly in terms of natural light and ventilation. The absence of upper floors allows for large, open windows on every side of the home. This means that, no matter where the sun rises or sets, the interiors can enjoy the benefits of abundant natural light throughout the day. With careful placement of windows, skylights, and glass doors, homeowners can create a bright and airy atmosphere, reducing reliance on artificial lighting. Open-plan interiors, the heart of single-story homes. The open-plan concept is a hallmark of many single-story house designs, and for good reason. In a residential area surrounded by nature, an open-plan interior can help create an uninterrupted flow between the indoor and outdoor spaces. The layout typically features a spacious living room that seamlessly connects to dining and kitchen areas, promoting a sense of openness and unity. Large sliding or folding doors can be incorporated, allowing the boundaries between the interior and exterior to disappear. This fluid design also fosters a incorporating natural materials in the design. When designing a single-story house in a natural setting, it's important to use materials that complement the environment. Wood, stone, brick, and other natural materials can be incorporated into the exterior and interior of the home to create a cohesive aesthetic that mirrors the beauty of the surrounding landscape. The use of timber for both structural elements and cladding can create a warm, organic feel, while stone or concrete can give a modern, earthy look that blends with the surrounding terrain. Inside, these materials can be carried through with wooden floors, stone counter. Designing for privacy in a shared residential area. In residential areas, privacy can be a concern, especially when the home is nestled in nature. Single-story homes, by their very nature, often have the advantage of being low to the ground, which can enhance privacy. Thoughtful design strategies such as strategic placement of windows, landscaping elements like hedges or trees, and fencing can help create secluded spaces within the home. Using height differences in the landscape can also play a role in improving privacy, as elevation changes can provide natural barriers. Additionally, energy efficiency and sustainability, a key consideration. Sustainability is a crucial factor when designing any modern home, and single-story houses are no exception. Due to their compact nature, single-story homes often require less energy to heat and cool compared to multi-story homes. The reduced need for stairs and upper levels means that less material is required for construction, making them more resource efficient. In a nature-filled residential area, the home can be designed with sustainable practices in mind, incorporating features such as solar panels, rainwater harvesting systems, and high-efficiency appliances. Outdoor living, enhancing the home's connection with nature. One of the standout features of single-story homes in nature-rich areas is the opportunity to extend the living space outdoors. With fewer floors, the ground level can be dedicated to creating expansive outdoor areas, whether it's a large deck, patio, or garden. The idea is to create spaces where homeowners can relax, entertain, or simply enjoy the beauty of the surroundings. Outdoor kitchens, fire pits, and lounge areas are common features that extend the usability of the home. Choosing the right landscape design. Incorporating a thoughtful landscape design is essential to completing the look of a single-story home surrounded by nature. The landscape should work in harmony with the architectural design, creating balance and flow between the built environment and the natural surroundings. For example, a single-story house on a sloped plot might benefit from terrace gardens, which can create a dramatic yet practical solution for managing changes in elevation. On flat terrain, manicured lawns, flower beds, or natural rock gardens can create visual interest and complement the home. Conclusion: the future of single-story homes in natural settings. As we've seen throughout this video, single-story house designs offer a unique way to live in harmony with nature. From their ability to blend seamlessly into the landscape to their focus on maximizing natural light, ventilation, and outdoor living, these homes offer a tranquil and sustainable lifestyle. When designed thoughtfully, they provide privacy, energy efficiency, and a deep connection to the environment, making them ideal for those who want to live closer to nature without compromising on modern comforts. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more.